Let me tell you a story about Alice. Alice often worked with strings of variable length, and she would spend hours tweaking her start and stop indices, trying to get the desired result. But that all changed when she discovered the slice function. With the slice function, Alice was able to extract substrings from strings of any length. By using negative indexing for the stop index, she could ensure that her slice always ended at the correct position.
So, how does it work? Let me show you the code. First, we define two strings, string 1 and string 2. Then, we create a slice object using the slice function. We will use this slice object to extract a substring from the two strings, starting from the beginning and ending 8 characters from the end. Now, we assign the result to the variables substring 1 and substring 2. Finally, we print the result using the print function. And there you have it. The output will show that the slice function successfully extracted the desired substrings from the two strings.
Alice was assigned a task to extract the website name from a list of website URLs for her web scraping project. She realized that the URLs had different lengths, so she couldn't simply use a fixed index to extract the name. However, she remembered that she could use the slice function in Python to create a slice object and extract a substring.
As you can see, Alice defined the website URL in a variable called website. She then created a slice object called slice_object that specifies the start and end indices of the slice. The slice object starts at index 7 and ends at the 4th index from the end, -4. Next, she applied the slice_object to the website variable, assigning the result to a new variable called website_name. This gives us the substring Google without the HTTP and .com portions. When Alice ran this code, it printed out Google, which was the website name without the HTTP and .com portions. She was able to use this technique to extract website names from a list of URLs and complete her web scraping project successfully.